Folks, Mark Stock here with Larry Leckband, and we are standing by a couple collector antique plows. He has 54 tractors selling on his collector tractor auction, but this requires the original horsepower. Why don't you tell us about these old-time plows, Larry?
This particular plow was on a swap meet consignment auction sitting on a pallet. It too had a 1/4 inch thick layer cake dust on it. And I bought it, and during the course of the sale they had a real big downpour, washed the dirt off. And when we loaded it, the guy helped me. He says it says John Deere right here after they got wet. So it's one of John Deere's first plows. He started in '37, and I'm not sure, but sometime maybe in the early 1860s or 50s, late 50s, they went to steel beam plow. So this plow is 160 or 70 years old with the original paint on it yet.
And what about that plow?
The other one, I'm not sure about the brand. I've seen somebody that had one restored that advertised a similar looking one. It was an Oliver.
So folks, there's a lot of history selling on the collector tractor sale. So come to the public inspection October the 3rd and view all of the tractors and the plows that will sell on BigIron.com.